COBOL to Java conversion 101, COBOL Translator? Converting COBOL code to Java can be a complex task due to the differences in syntax, structure, and programming paradigms between the two languages. However, there are several approaches and tools that can assist in this process. Here's a general overview of the steps involved in converting COBOL code to Java. 1. Analysis and planning. Begin by analyzing the existing COBOL codebase to understand its structure, functionality, and dependencies. Identify the scope of the conversion project and define the goals and requirements. Determine the feasibility of the conversion and assess potential risks and challenges. 2. Translate syntax. COBOL and Java have different syntax and language constructs. You'll need to translate COBOL code into equivalent Java code. Start by converting COBOL statements, such as move, add, subtract, if-else, perform, and call, into equivalent Java statements. Pay attention to data types, variable declarations, and file handling operations, as these may differ between COBOL and Java. 3. Refactor and modularize. Refactor the translated Java code to improve readability, maintainability, and adherence to Java best practices. Break down monolithic COBOL programs into smaller, more modular components. This may involve restructuring code into classes, methods, and packages. Identify opportunities to optimize code and improve performance during the refactoring process. 4. Handle data conversion. COBOL and Java use different data types and representations. Ensure that data is converted accurately between COBOL and Java formats. Pay special attention to numeric data types, dates, strings, and data structures such as arrays and records. 5. Update file operations. COBOL programs often interact with files using specific file handling mechanisms. Update file operations in the Java code to use Java's file I/O APIs or database access libraries. Consider migrating data from COBOL file formats to modern database systems if necessary. 6. Test and validate. Thoroughly test the converted Java code to ensure that it behaves as expected and produces the same results as the original COBOL code. Perform unit testing, integration testing, and regression testing to validate the correctness and reliability of the converted code. Compare the output of the Java code with the output of the original COBOL code to identify any discrepancies or errors. 7. Iterate and optimize. Iterate on the conversion process based on feedback and testing results. Optimize the Java code for performance, efficiency, and maintainability. Continuously refine and improve the converted code to meet the desired standards and requirements. It's important to note that COBOL to Java conversion projects can vary significantly depending on the size and complexity of the code base, as well as the specific requirements of the conversion effort. Consider consulting with experienced developers or using specialized tools and frameworks to streamline the conversion process and mitigate potential